Well, we were just talking about what we can expect tomorrow, just as workers here wanting to support you as you're covering this tomorrow, but we're expecting some long hours.
We are. This is as I've used the term before, a high-impact weather event. It's going to affect practically every portion of our viewing area, and we are talking about a threat for tornadoes. You know, if you ever listen to me do TV weather, most of the time I don't use the tornado word specifically. I'll say strong to severe storms. These are the ingredients that produce tornadoes, and those tornadoes that are the big ones that do significant damage.
Well, I told you earlier, I know you're right, but I hope you're wrong.
Yeah,
I hope it
Me
doesn't form that
too.
way.
I hope we end up with just some rain tomorrow. I don't think that's going to happen, but let's go ahead and show you what's happening out there as we speak. Very active weather across the Memphis area. I was watching some of the coverage from some of the Memphis TV stations just a few moments ago. A number of funnel clouds reported there around Memphis. Tornado warnings left and right through Mississippi and West Tennessee. It is just rocking and rolling there in the mid-south and back toward the west. In Arkansas, more severe storms. You're probably wondering, with all this weather out here, I know I'd be wondering the same thing, are these storms moving due east? Well, no. Most of them are moving more toward the northeast, but later on tonight and during the overnight hours, we will see some of the thunderstorms move into our area. This is not going to be the main event as those thunderstorms roll on through. We may get some stronger storms overnight, and we'll certainly be watching them here in the storm warning center. Damaging winds and hail would be the main threat during the overnight hours. Very small potential for a tornado tonight. Marion, Lamar, Pickens, Fayette, and Walker counties. That's where I'd really stay weather alert later on tonight. No watches in effect for us right now. Look at all of the storm reports over the last 24 hours. Simply amazing. You can see those storm reports extending all the way across the Ohio Valley through the Mid-South, then back through Arkansas and even out toward Texas. This has been an incredibly active pattern. This system, this big storm system, is a slow mover. We have yet to see the main portion of that storm system move through our area. Once it does, we are going to see conditions improve, but that's not going to be until Thursday. So overnight storms. Wednesday, unfortunately, tornadoes in the forecast. Main time frame from 2 p.m. in our western counties to around 8, 9, 10 o'clock in our easternmost counties. Clearing on Thursday. Here's a look at what's going on right now. Partly cloudy and 80 degrees. Current temperature fairly warm out there with a south wind at about 17 miles per hour. Dew point coming in at 64. So we've got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, a lot of low-level moisture due to that southerly wind flow. 81 in Tuscaloosa. By comparison, a little bit cooler. 78 degrees in Anniston, 75 in Gadsden. Here's what we're expecting tonight. Rain and thunderstorms during the overnight hours. Some of those storms could be strong. 74 degrees by around 9 p.m. There's that main piece of energy, that area of low pressure. Once we see that low drag in the cold front late tomorrow night, we can say goodbye to these thunderstorms, but it's going to take a while before that happens. Wave 1 late tonight during the overnight hours through tomorrow morning. Then our second wave of storms coming up tomorrow afternoon. You can see the thunderstorms popping up here on our computer forecast model as we get into 7 p.m. Still, that main line has not cleared. I want to show you something else. Our supercell index off the charts, reds and yellows indicating a high potential for supercell thunderstorms. We are in a moderate risk for severe weather, likely to be upgraded tomorrow. Winds and tornadoes, the primary threat. Here's a look at our forecast. Storms late tonight, 69 degrees, not all that cool at all. High of 83 tomorrow. Gusty winds up to 45 miles per hour, even without a thunderstorm. Looking better for Thursday and Friday. A little bit cooler for the weekend. Hit and miss showers and thunderstorms for Saturday and Sunday. Overall, weekend looks decent. And a quick look at our weekend forecast in full view. Partly cloudy Saturday, more clouds on Sunday. Stay weather alert.